Guys, do you know there are easy ways that you can sit at the comfort of your home? You guys, it is surprising, and you start making money. I've been making money from the comfort of my home. Though I have a job, I'm not saying that I don't have a job, but you know, it has really surprised me. And when we are talking about it, I don't know you guys why you don't take it why do you take it for granted. So guys, I've made money using lazy ways, just seated at the comfort of my home. And most people have used these methods to make money. If I can give you my background of how I started, that is for another day on my channel of my vlog channel. You should go and visit us there. So there are different ways you can earn money at the comfort of your home. There are different ways that you can decide and say, this month I'll be earning maybe $100 here, $200 here, $700, $1,000. It's up to you. So it is up to you as a person to sit down and say, can I go over the board? You get it? So, but before that, you guys, I would love to really tell you about few methods I've used, lazy ways for me to earn money at the comfort of my home, even when I'm at work, without putting anything, without any investment. I sit down, I say, my God, this month I'm not earning enough. Okay, let me put in another platform like that. So before that, I really thank God for you guys who have been on this platform. I don't do it alone. There's someone who always pushes you. Special thanks to my fans, and special thanks to my mentor, my better half, who is always there and like, you can do it, continue. So one of the methods that has surprised me is content creation. I want you to venture into it. I want you to try it. And when you're trying it, don't try it thinking that, let me get millions tomorrow. No. Everything you have to be patient. So I ventured into content creation like a joke. I began, by the way, with Facebook, because Facebook, I was writing my life stories. When I would be at work and the Holy Spirit dropped something in me, I just go and put it there. I saw it moving until I went to YouTube. When I went to YouTube, it caught fire. I defined my journey like after 6 months, because the platforms were all maybe on see where I came from, because I had a very I had a very heavy stone on my heart. I didn't like how people were behaving. I didn't like how people treat each other. So I thought I would encourage, because I knew someone would be there. But in that, I used to give out money. I used to make sure that I'm a giver, by the way. I'm a giver. So, but it reached a time, the proverb of saying, please show someone how to fish than giving someone fish. I saw I cannot give people money for the rest of my life, though it was my passion, my calling. So it's when I ventured into, how can I make money? How can these people, because you cannot tell somebody to go and open a boutique when he has money, when he has no money. You cannot tell somebody to start a hardware shop when he has money. It's when I ventured into content creation and how to make money. When I put you guys, everything is on social media, everything. That's why they say an African, especially if you want to hide an African, something, hide it in words or in a book. So as I was searching like this, you guys, this is how I started this. When I searched how to make money without putting money. It started way back after my university. When I started, I was searching, I was earning some little amount of money, around 400,000, which is amounting to 400 dirham, too small that it cannot even pay my rent right now. It cannot pay my accommodation, even my fuel. So it started that. Then when I put in how can I make money from home, then it gave me a confectionery, how to make snacks. Then I started snacks, of which snacks, that is a very beautiful story about it. I started with 25 dirham, which is 25,000. Now I remembered, I said, but the other time I did it. So this time it brought how to make money with your phone. And this one came as a result when I went for an interview in United Arab Emirates, and they gave me a phone to sell it when it has no line, when it has nothing. So I had to know the features and benefits of the phone. If they remove the line, they remove everything, they leave you with internet, what can you do? How can you sell it to somebody? That's how I started, how to make money online. Then my first dollar got from paid work. When I got paid work, I said, what? But I saw it was too small. Then I continued to finish. I would see people online every time. I ventured in, I said, let me go now, I teach people. When I started teaching people on the ground, I said, but I can put it on my YouTube. Then I went to YouTube. Hey, it was a shock. I with my manager, one time we said, when we got monetization, I was like, let me wait and I see how I'm going to get. He told me, I remember Jared told me, even $1, even if we see even $1. Behold, $1 came. But when you're starting, you guys, if you're starting and you're going to venture into content creation, don't expect that the first day you're going to see $10,000, $100. No, it came 0.0 something, because we didn't know the CPM, even the niche we're in, everything, the key searchable words and other things. We were happy when we saw the dollar. So the struggle now started from there, how to make sure that we can go to the threshold of withdrawing. It was like a miracle when I saw myself, when I saw a message from YouTube, because I used to think they are just tales. The first platform was paid work, that is a survey. I used PayPal, and I sent it. After PayPal, I sent it to my account. Now I've already given you the 2 easy ways is to make survey. Go and download a platform called Paid Work. Paid work is what motivated me, because I saw changing. Then the second one was YouTube. When I saw the money, I woke up and the first money by that I withdrew from YouTube was a gift. How was it a gift? Because that day I really needed money to send back home. So from nowhere I saw the message on 21st. I ran mad. Since then, it became a norm. Then I started upgrading and knowing that is content creation. When it went Facebook, there's a time also, the first time I saw a message going to my email that your self-credited document like this, that is like a pay slip. Then to reach on 25th, I saw money. So since then, I started now looking. So those are content creation is the easiest and laziest way to make money at the comfort of your home. You can decide and say, right now I have three channels, of which I don't always publish them, because there are things we need to grow. Your channel needs, you don't need even to ask people to share, to do that. Let them be found, and I'm happy that they are growing well. The second channel is soon to be monetized, and the other one, the watch hours are still low. Then another, the easiest, laziest way that I've participated in and made money is to sell products on WhatsApp. Use your WhatsApp status. Use your Facebook marketplace. Is okay. That one, I remember one night I sold more than like $200. And you don't need to own a shop, by the way. I did not own a shop. I went to this place when they were selling, there was sale, the sale in United Arab Emirates. I'm like, I bought things thinking they will be for home, from kitchen, bedding, even furniture. But when I reached, my mentor was like, Christine, you can sell these things. I put on my status. I was getting calls from everywhere within United Arab Emirates. Then I put somebody, I told my, you pay, you can deliver, and they pay charges. I saw myself handle the money. Those are 2 easiest ways. Now they're like 4 or 5, by the way. Then the last but not least, until tomorrow, I've seen you can be a broker of accommodation, a broker of real estates.